Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the requested spring FabFitFun box unboxing. I have 6 videos filmed and not edited. I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed and not sure like what video to edit next, which one to put up. I don't know. But on Instagram, the overwhelming majority of you said that you really wanted me to do a YouTube video on this. So here I am. I don't know when this is going up, so I'm sorry if it's late by the time you're actually watching this, but I'm doing it for you guys. So I did also get a couple of add-ons for the spring FabFitFun box, but really quickly, this is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. It's $49.95 US per quarter, I believe. I paid for the full year and I'm in Canada, so with the currency exchange rate as well as the Canadian shipping, it was about $320 for the 4 boxes. And this is my 3rd full-size box, I believe, and I've been really happy with the other 2 I've already opened. Prior to that, I did get a starter box, which is free. You just pay shipping, and if you are interested in one of those, then just let me know. You can DM me on Instagram or leave a comment. I am able to send some of those. I think it's $7 US for the shipping and around 12 Canadian dollars for the shipping. So not that bad. You get 3 to 4 products that you may hope to receive in a box like this. Like, it's a little taster of what the box could be. No pressure, just let me know if you would like to get one of those. If you pay each box, like quarterly, you can choose 3 of your items, and if you pay for the year, you can choose 5 of your items from a certain selection. Like, there's choice 1, certain options, choice 2, certain options, you know what I mean? Okay, I've rambled on long enough. I'm just going to quickly show you what I got on for add-ons, and then we will open up this big guy. Like, these boxes, they're huge. First, this was $11. I got 3 new face masks from 8 or this brand. Not really sure how to pronounce that. 8 other reasons. OR. Okay. I have not been buying cute masks. The mask thing just drives me so nuts. Not in a wear your mask. I wear my mask everywhere I go. I'm so thankful to work from home and like rarely need to leave, because I feel so claustrophobic in them that a pretty one is not at the top of my budget priority list. So I have Canada flag ones from around Canada Day in July, when we had to start wearing masks for the most part. Plain black ones, and then ones with my husband's work branded on them, and that's all I've been using. So I was like, I think it's time that I just get some ones that are just for me, that are kind of cute. And I thought $11 for 3 good quality masks were not that bad. There's like a cream colored one, a nude one, and a teal. But these feel really lightweight. And then for $19 in add-ons, I got this 3-pack of booty bands. I thought that these would be great to add into my workout regimen. I've been wanting some of these for a long time. The ones I was looking at on Amazon fluctuate between like $35 and $45 depending, you know, supply and demand and all that stuff. And these were $19. 35 to 45 Canadian dollars, and these were 19 US dollars, which still works out to be, you know, a little bit cheaper. And I like that FabFitFun ships everything together in one big box, so you're not paying double shipping, which I greatly appreciate. I'm not going to fully open this because there looks to be like a lot of pamphlets and stuff, but it's from Maji, M-A-J-I, Sports, set of 3 booty bands. And I thought these would be fun to incorporate in my workout routine. Like I said, need to build the booty for the summertime. Okay, now that I've chatted for a million years, let's get into the actual spring box. Okay, that was hard to open. These are so huge. Like, how do people open these on camera? Okay, let me stick my head in here. We got some stickers, the magazine. I need to set this on the floor or something. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm just going to, I know I said I would link that person who does all of the spoilers in my description box. These are all the options for number 1. So I chose the LED indoor planter. I'm super excited. At our new home, we have 3 outdoor gardens. And I've never had a vegetable garden before, and I'm so excited to try it out this summer. Like, I'm going to fill all of them with lots of fruits and veggies, hope the deer don't eat them, and hope that I can have some vegetables for me and my family. And I thought the boys would really enjoy it, but it's still the dead of winter. So this is a spring box, but they have this indoor garden situation with LED light with basil seeds. So I can grow a little herb garden in the house, and I think my kids will really enjoy this as well. It looks like this, and I'm actually really excited for this product. And it has a retail value of $60 and then $2.49 for the seeds they included in here. Here are the options for number 2 and 3. For option number 2, I chose this, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, Guillaume. My yoga mat is that brand as well, so maybe I should know how to pronounce them. But I got this core toning kit, so it comes with a mini Pilates ball as well as these bands. So I've actually been doing really well at sticking with a workout routine lately. I've been working out 3 to 5 times a week, and I'm really happy with that. So I wanted to keep the momentum going with some new equipment to play with. This is called their Ultimate Core Toning Kit, and this has a retail value of $50. Did I choose this? I guess I must have. This is from Joy Dravicki. It is an adjustable ring, the Chloe ring, and it says it has a retail value of $75. I don't think I believe that for a second. I don't remember choosing this, to be honest. But I'm looking at the other things, and I don't know if I would remember what I actually did choose. This is not worth $75, let me just tell you that. I mean, it's cute, but it feels like you could buy this at like Aldo or something. I really like it. Like I said, it's cute. I think I would like it on my middle finger. But it's one of those like ones that you pinch so it can fit like multiple hand sizes. I guess they'd have to do that for a subscription box. But I don't know. That is definitely inflated retail value for sure. So now we're on to the products that only if you purchase the annual subscription you could choose from. So here are options 4 and 5. For option 4, this wasn't the one I was most interested in. However, I think it was the only cruelty-free beauty option that they had, and it's from Grown Alchemist. It's the body cream in the scent Mandarin and Rosemary Leaf. They are cruelty-free and certified vegan, certified organic, and certified toxic-free. I really don't need another body lotion, but like I said, this was the only cruelty-free option. They had like a makeup organizer, which didn't look like anything I would want, a cleanser, a cleansing bar of soap, hair scarf, Elemis peel, lots of things that weren't cruelty free or I really wasn't interested in. So, I mean, it'll get used. It's just not that exciting. And this has a retail value of $26. This is not very exciting, but it was actually something that I needed, and that was a new pair of tweezers. So for my 5th option, I got the Summer and Rose tweezer with a pouch. They say this retails for $20. My other tweezers were just not getting all the hairs as well. Does that make sense? It's almost like they didn't grip them as well as they used to. And they have a really cute floral print on them and a little pouch I probably won't use. But this was more of a practical choice rather than something fun and exciting. And the last 3 items I didn't get to choose. They're just whatever FabFitFun put in my box. So number 6, I did get the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. I don't really know what that means. It says it's plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, and a whole bunch of other things on here. What is it for? It's with spirulina, blue tansy, vigorously brightens and balance for an even radiant complexion. Oh, that's interesting. That's definitely something I could use. It looks really nice. And this has a retail value of $38. I was really hoping I would not get this as my 7th option, but I would really have preferred the body wash because I would have actually used that, but I will give this to my kids. I got the Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup, and they say this retails for $20. Can't even get it out of this box. Okay. I'm not going to use this. My kids will get a hoot out of it though. It's a 21-ounce cactus cup, or 655 milliliters, with a straw, dishwasher safe, cold liquids only. My camera stopped recording and I didn't notice before I was closing out this video, and now there's something. Oh, it stopped. I was gonna say something's going off in the basement and I don't know what it is or how to turn it off. As I was saying before my camera cut me off, which I had to like go watch what I had filmed to figure out. Not for children under the age of 14, which I just think is hilarious. I think my kids will think this is a hoot and get some use out of it. It's like a cheap plastic cup. They say it retails for $20. 21 ounces, 625 milliliters is how much it holds. This I'm not too excited about. The last item in my box, and again this was something that FabFitFun chose for me. I would have been happy with either of the 2 options for this choice. And I got a nail polish from Nails Inc. I will have to look up. I don't remember if Nails Inc. is cruelty free or not. If it's not cruelty free, I will probably sell it on my Poshmark. It says it retails for $15, and it is a pale pink nail polish in the shade Mayfair Lane. Oh, it is cruelty free and vegan. There we go. It's on the back. And it is a really cute springy kind of color. Sorry you can hear the kids. Really quickly, I'm going to calculate how much my total box was. It definitely is not the favorite, like the best one I've ever gotten, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. I'm especially excited about my new workout gear and my little indoor garden thing. I think me and the kids are going to have a lot of fun with that. The total MSRP is $306.49 for the products that I got in my box. The only 2 items that I would really like question the MSRP on are the cactus cup and that ring. That ring they said $75. That is way too much for a ring like that. I would pay up to $30. And even that would be like, ooh, that's a little pricey for this kind of ring, you know what I mean? But everything else I am pretty happy with. I mean, there are some things that aren't really exciting, like a body lotion and tweezers, but those are more like practical items that I would have used or needed to buy at some point anyway, if you know what I mean. So sometimes that's just really nice to get a more of a pricey brand in a subscription box for things like that. Like I would have never gone out and paid $26 for just a regular old body lotion. So having something that's a little more like luxury feeling is nice. Do you get FabFitFun? Did you like your spring box? What did you think of the products that I got in mine? Like I said, I like it. I didn't love it, but so far I've been really enjoying this subscription box. Over the last few years, I have only gotten beauty subscription boxes, and so when I have all of these choices, I tend to choose the lifestyle products because I feel like they will get more use and not add to like my beauty inventory, if that makes sense. But I did get a couple of beauty products as well, of course. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.